Hello everyone, this is Malab and I am an alumnus of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. I have been a part of this school for 13 long years, which were the best years of my life. The school is my root, from where I have learned all the basics. It has not only helped me in academics, but also in becoming a well-decent human being. Along with excellent educational facilities, the school also focuses on extracurriculum activities such as sports, music, painting, etc. Every year, the school celebrates annual function, annual sports, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Independence Day, where all the teachers, students, staffs, everyone takes part into it. Every year, the school arranges for a picnic as well as a reunion for the alumni. Most of the alumni have shined in their career and yet more to shine. The school also maintains an eco-friendly environment by organizing tree plantation campaigns. The school authority is also very much active on social grounds. They always stand beside old age and orphanage homes and help them throughout. They also extend their support to the missionaries of charity. They even help the poor, both in their education as well as their day to day life. At last, I just want to thank my school for everything it has provided to us. Thank you very much.